Okay, it's now time to solve the 6x6 Rubik's Cube. Now the difference between the 5x5 Rubik's Cube and the 6x6 is that this one has, the 5x5 has 90 pieces and the 6x6 has 120 pieces. So it's 30 more pieces, that means 30 more moves and 30 more positions to solve. So, let's get started. Now a 6x6 has an even side, which means that you can put any colour on any side, which means that if you get the wrong colour on the wrong side, you can't solve it. So the odd number cubes, the middle piece is fixed so that you can't accidentally put the wrong colour on the wrong side. On even number cubes, so the 4x4, the 6x6 and 8x8, there's no fixed middle, so which means you can put the wrong colour on the wrong side, which means you can't solve it. So white has to always be next to red, white has to be opposite yellow, red has to be next to blue, blue next to orange, and orange next to green. So that's the way it goes. The first thing we have to do then is to mess it up. Okay, I think that's well and truly messed up. Now the first thing we have to do, same as the rest of the cubes, is to get a colour square in the middle. So that's 4x4 colour square. So it doesn't matter which colour we start with, and doesn't matter which side. So I like to start the white side, and we use that little insignia to show that that's going to be the first white side. So there we have the first side. All the white is solved. So it doesn't matter which side we do next. I like to do the opposite, which is yellow. So we'll make this yellow side. So we have to get a yellow square. So now we have the white on one side, and opposite we have the yellow. So now we can go any side we like. I'll go red, seeing as we've already got 3 just there. So red will be below the white. Now we have to be very careful not to mess up the ones we've already done. So okay, now we have the red solved, the red square. So we have the white square opposite the yellow and the red underneath the white. So that next to the red this should be blue. So we'll do blue next. Okay, so now we have the blue square. So we have the white square opposite the yellow square, and the red below the white next to the blue. So opposite red is orange. So we'll do the orange next. And there we have it. We've got the white opposite the yellow, the red next to the blue, orange opposite red, and green opposite blue. So the next thing we have to do is to line up all the edges in the right colours. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 colours have to be the same matches. So it doesn't matter which one you start with. And that's it. So all the colours are lined up in their correct colour coordination, all matching 4x4. Now what we have to do now is to get a white square at the top. Okay, so we've almost got the white square. We just need to get these three corners. So white, orange, green has to go there. And we have white, red, green has to go there. Okay, now we have to get white, red, blue has to go there. And lastly we've got white, orange, blue has to go there, the right way around. Okay, we now have the complete white square with the correct colours in the middle: orange, blue, red, green and yellow. Now we have to line up these side colours. So orange, I need orange, green to go there, which is it's over here. So we need the red, green to go there. Okay, so we've got the red, green there. Now we have to get these ones out of the way. They're in the wrong place. So now we've got the green, orange down the bottom, and we need to put it here. So we've got the orange, green there. Now we've got the red, green. Now we need blue, red to go there. So we've got the blue, red there. Now we have to get this one out of the way because it needs to be turned around. Okay, now we have to put the last one, which is the blue, orange, in this side. Okay, so now we have the white completed, the orange is completed on all the sides, the blue, red is completed, the red, green is completed, and the green, orange. Now what we have left now is to get the yellow side. And there we have it. We have the whole yellow side. So the next step is to get the corners. we have to get the corners in the correct positions. So red, green, yellow is correct. Orange, green, yellow is correct. Yellow, blue, that one's correct. And that one's correct. So the corners are correct. So what we have to do now is the green side is complete. And we have to put those 4 red over the opposite side and those 4 orange on this side. So we have to do a different algorithm. So we have to move these ones to here, which means we have to go clockwise. So we'll try this algorithm. And there we have it, all finished. So we have the white finished, opposite the yellow, the red is next to the blue, and orange is opposite red, and green is opposite blue. So it's all finished. Finished with a broken arm.
That's all, folks.